Hi, Daddy. Here's my fan club. A whole bunch of pigeons. I kind of know the van pretty good now. So we feed them Lucky Charms. They don't like the marshmallows. But yeah, they just sit in the sun. I don't know if you can hear it, but they're cooing. We're really gonna ruin it for the terrorists, the tourists next summer. I almost call it the terrorists. We're waiting for. I guess they serve a free meal every day at the park, so that's why we're here. It's a nice hot meal too. So yesterday it was cornbread with chicken and potatoes, so it wasn't too bad. It's kind of nice. It's brought to by a couple churches, so living in a van is kind of hard, so, but it's not at the same time. So nice hot meal. I'm happy. So talk to you later, Daddy. Bye.